your brows. You want to set your eyelids with your favorite concealer or foundation. And I'm using a lighter color because I want my colors to pop. And I don't want to set this at all. So what I use to prep my lids, I use the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I got this from Dollar General. It was, I want to say like $4, $5. I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And there are 35 shades. So I'm going to take that. I want to go into this matte green color. So I'm gonna go into like this blue right here, tap off the excess and put that right next to the green. Now I'm going to add this purple shade. Sorry, I want to show you guys. Purple shade. Tap off the excess. And for this to be like BH Cosmetics, it's very pigmented, as you can see. Like, this is very pigmented. Okay, so then we're going to add the purple, and then we're going to, when you do the purple, we want to draw it out because we're going to cut our crease. So we want to draw that pigment right out. And we're going to take yellow. So we're going to go into, can you see? Can you see? Then we're going to go in with, this orange shade here. Now we're going to go into this red shade here. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors True Mud Foundation in the color, what did I say the color? Golden Beige. Then we're gonna go in, we're gonna go in that same brush that we use for our eyebrows.
Two hours later.
With my M503, and I'm gonna blend out my colors. take some of my Airspun, and then I take that same brush that I cut my crease with, and then I just take it and set it. So it's not like white, but it's like, you know, it's like that neutral. What I have is my NYX white liquid eyeliner, and if I can open it, hopefully I'm going to outline my crease so I can't talk, but I will be back. This is so freaking pretty. I got this cool little winged eyeliner, or I should say liquid liner. This is easy, like this is super easy compared to like what I had for the liner. That's hard. This is easy. Boop. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with these Review. I don't know how to say it. I'm very oily, like oily, like oily, like oily. We're gonna go back in Anastasia, and we're gonna take that cream and that, oops, excuse my language. We're going to take that cream and cinnamon color. Take our Anastasia again, and we're gonna go in chocolate just a little bit, because chocolate can be powerful. And we're gonna go in and shape our nose. We're going to take our Airspun powder, and we're going to bake hunty. I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue, then I'm going to take the gold. I'm gonna dip into it. I want to take my You Spicy number 31 out of the brush set and just dust away any excess glitter and also powder off my face. So I'm also going to go into my BH Cosmetics blush because I can't find my MAC one. I want to go in with that contour one. And I want to do this pink one. And then I'm going to take my BADESCU spray. I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush, spray that. Then I'm going to take my Black Radiance in the color Ginger Snap. And this is the finished look. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a very happy New Year. Bye. Yeah.
Ooh, are you that type of guy with your Rolex on the side and 3 side bitches that you can't even deny? Your love you can't supply. When I text you don't reply, but when you want that Netflix and chill, you hit me up with no hesitation, hitting up other girls in rotation.